Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the tuberose flower. This flower is popularly known for its sweet fragrance. We have earlier uploaded many videos on this plant, and from those videos many of you have many doubts, such as how do we get lots of flowers from our plant, or how or when should these bulbs be planted, or what kind of soil should we plant our tuberose in, or how often should I water my tuberose. Frequently asked question is that can we roast these tuberoses in a small pot, or what kind of fertilizer should I give to this plant. In today's video I'll be answering all of those one by one. So the first question was how to get lots of flowers. To get many flowers there are three things you must keep in mind: proper watering, proper sunlight and proper soil. You have to give water when the soil is dry or the weather is really dry. Make sure that the soil is moist but not soggy. As you already know, rainy season is around the corner, so there is a high chance that your plants might get water retention. So to prevent that, make sure that you check your drainage holes properly, as overwatering can cause root rot, and root rot will eventually kill your plants. Second is sunlight. Actually, this plant prefers 6 to 7 hours of sunlight. The more sunlight you give, the more flower this plant gets. And for soil, make sure to give loamy or fertile soil. To get a good fertile soil, you must add fertilizer or manure to it time to time. I am going to discuss that topic later. Number 2 question is how and when should bulbs be planted. We have already uploaded a video on this topic earlier, so if you wish you can check out the playlist, but I'll still try to tell in short. The bulbs are actually to be planted in the end of winter or the starting of summer. Last year, due to some problem in planting the bulb, the plant could not flower properly. So it's better that you check the full playlist, so you can know how you can plant your bulb properly as well. Now the question number 3. What kind of soil does tuberose like? It must be loamy and fertile. Actually, slow releasing fertilizer is the best for your plant. So if you add homemade manure to the soil, it is the best option. At the end of this video, I'll be telling you some 2 best manures that you have to give to your plants. Now the next question. How often should I water my tuberose? As I've already discussed before, you must only water during the growing season and when the soil is dry. But during the rainy season, only water when you feel that the soil is dry and the plant needs water, or this watering can be a cause of your plant's death. Sometimes in the substitute of water we apply liquid manures, but even in rainy season make sure to be careful while giving liquid manures. Now the most frequently asked question, which is that can this plant be grown in small pots? This is my mom's opinion, that you can grow in a 6 inches pot, but your flowering quality will be really bad. So make sure to only plant your plant in 6 inches pot during the growing season. But as time passes, it grows healthy and big. Make sure to transfer it to a 8 inches to a 10 inches pot. Now the last most important question is about the fertilizer. During the growing season, only kitchen waste compost is necessary. But during the flowering season, potassium-rich fertilizer is a must. Here my mom has given a mixture of banana peels, eggshells and turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is required to prevent fungal infection, and banana and eggshells for plant growth and flowering. This is the second fertilizer. This is our most favorite fertilizer of all times. To make this manure, make sure that you have a big jar. Then add a few banana peels in it. Then add some crushed eggshells. Then add 5 to 10 ml bioenzyme. If you want to know how to make bioenzyme, there is a full playlist on it. Then give sufficient water. Then keep it in a shaded area for 7 to 10 days. Then simply dilute it and give it to your plants. Just do these steps and get flowers in your garden. Oh, and if this works for you, make sure to let us know. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.